So here's an update on the Gerstner box. I was able to do a pretty good job shining this up, and I'm not quite done with it yet, so I might not spend the money and deal with replacing this lock, okay? However, I am thinking about replacing this. I could probably get in there with some small brushes and make this look pretty good, but this leather handle has a big crack in it, and I'm afraid someday somebody's going to pick this box up. Now right now it's kind of light because the drawers are all out, but might have to spend the money to replace this. It's about 50 bucks. They give you both the you know, the ends here to hold it down and the new handle, but I'm afraid that's going to crack. So you can see we've got a lot of things removed here. Here's the pile. Okay, everything else is in reasonably good shape, ready to refinish. I have to decide if I can polish these out good enough or if I want to get new ones. I tend to bag things up so the screws match when I put everything back together. Some of these latches are pretty rusty. I'll play with them, see if I can restore them. The number 2 mirror, okay, has been saved. I was a little nervous taking the frame out because, boy, cracked that. So we'll clean the edges of it, and I'll figure out a way to try and preserve that. But I had a surprise here, so bear with me. I've got to turn the box around. And this isn't not a slam against Gerstner at all, and I don't blame him for doing this. Did you know that the backside is a veneer? This isn't solid oak. And this, I never see the back, right? It's up against my bench, up against the wall. And you can see I've been polishing up these hinges. I don't know if they'll need replaced. They're in the back. Nobody's going to see these, all right? So we'll fix all that up. But a little surprise here. This is a veneer. You can see whatever these pine planks are behind it, and this. I'm missing some pieces here. All right, and I can see it wants to peel back a little bit. So you woodworkers out there, you know, I hate to replace this whole veneer. I just don't know how I would do that, make it look good. So what I'm thinking about doing is I've got one piece of it that fell off. I found that. I think it's this piece. I'm thinking about trying to just get some glue under this thing. Okay, stop the bleeding is all I'm trying to do here. You can see this wants to, yeah, see that? I just did that right on the camera. So we're gonna gently brush in some glue there and try and hold down what we've got and seal it. And I'll probably just end up filling this with some wood filler and try and match it somewhat and seal the whole thing up and stain it. Now, if you have a better suggestion for me, I don't want to pull this whole veneer off. I'll never get it right. I'm not that guy, all right? So you can see it was tacked on. See the little nails? I did not know the back sides of these boxes weren't solid oak, and that's okay. I just didn't know that. So if you guys, again, have any ideas how to repair this correctly or make it look better, again, I think I'm just going to try and get some glue under here, seal it all back up, and fill it in with wood filler and stain it. And seal it, and we should stop the bleeding. It's not water, it's age. This box has never been wet, at least since I've owned it. So we look forward to your comments here.